Oh man, you chucked it. Because every penny we make on this video, we're gonna give to Ove in cash. It's gonna be hilarious. We gotta help a working man out here. We got you some drinks there, boy. Look at this sucker there. Nice and cold. Oh, stuff that's good for you too. He's trying to take care of himself, ladies, so you know what that means. Inquire within. Speaking of inquiring, I heard you got a couple clunkers out there, some Powerstrokes. I'm looking for one that's blown up. You got any?
There's a few of them.
There's a few. I thought I seen that in the paper. This boy's got a couple 10, 20 junkers out there. Whoa, what do we got going on here?
Oh, just pulling stuff out.
Yeah, putting her to work though. I like seeing that, man. That's for sure. Heading back down to the shop today, actually for some very unfortunate news, probably the biggest L that we have faced on the channel yet, financially for sure. We're going to teach you exactly how to lose a ton of money on your steel body Powerstroke, because we figured out a great way to lose a fortune, let me tell you that. We also have more shop improvements going on. Ove has a concrete crew coming down this morning. We might have just missed them, I'm not sure, but Ove's been working his butt off, as you guys know. I'm really trying to hold off on too much of that for a separate video because the interior looks crazy, but we will walk around the outside of the shop and show you a couple things, maybe even some of the other junker projects that are down there, but just a lot going on. But stick around for some very good advice on how to do very poorly with your Ford. Here we go. Well, looks like we just missed the concrete crew, but you can see the new pad out here out back looks super nice, don't it? Something about fresh concrete you just can't beat. And if you guys look over here, look at the pergola out here that Ove and them built. Look at that with the stone patio here. That looks super, super incredible, don't it? So you can come right out of the shop addition and enjoy a nice break out back. This is going to be super perfect for the weather. Grill out, sit out, hang out, have a good time in between builds, and then we'll be able to put probably that storage shed. I'm assuming that's the shed that's going back here for extra storage. Man, just cleaning it up out here just looks so incredible. I'm going to go ahead, take a step back so you guys can see the addition, the pergola right there with the new pad. Super, super sick. Don't it look so good, guys? The white and black shop just looks so good. Cameras going in, everything. I cannot wait to show you guys the interior because there's so much progress in there, but I'm trying to save that for another video. We're trying to convince Ove to mic up and take us through it. It was actually his idea, so he better live up to it. And then if we come around the front, you can see here is the sidewalk leading in. About to open that up. That's where the door is going to go, obviously, the entryway. And then you can see right in here the new sidewalk leading up. That looks so good. Got it perfectly level with the driveway out here. Look at that, boy. Wow, we didn't know we were getting all this today, did we? Then, come on over. This is why we're talking about the video. This is what actually started it all right here with the Powerstroke, but we'll get to that. And you can see out front here, oh my gosh, we got plants. Look at this. What is this place? Oh, we got plants out here, bushes, mulch, cleaning this sucker way up, leveling out some ground here, and doing some tree removal process too. Had to go get a chainsaw this morning to get this cut down. Wow, look at that sucker. Look, I mean, straight curb appeal going on down here, boy. And the daily out here. Oh, she is looking sad, Ove. Oh my gosh, I thought mine was bad. These Midwest is just too tough on these things. It looked good from a distance though. This one says, Change your oil. Wow. That was so nice of somebody. Keeping it too real out here, boy. And then we still got Colton's truck out here. The clutch pack that was needed to get the transmission repaired was on back order. Taking absolutely forever, but it is almost here any single day now. And then Colton's gonna take us out for a cruise in this mega slab because it is a gosh dang unit. Forgot to show you guys the inside before, but look at that screen, boy. Absolutely incredible. There he is. He's got the L5P out. No wonder. Oh! That's why he's hurting the sucker. I was just going to say, where'd the L5P go? Oh, the reverse lights look good, don't it? Yeah. There it is. Oh, man. You chucked it. Hey, there he is. You hit that curb a little hard. You're gonna have to redo that fender. What are you doing, chopping down trees?
Oh,
Oh, what'd this do, run out of fuel?
oh yeah.
Oh yeah, always. Those the new shirts? Yeah, those look good, man. So today's video has effectively been sponsored by Southern Diesel Works. These guys are absolutely incredible. Hit them up for all your suspension work, wheels, tires, audio, lighting, performance, etc. These guys have it all. They have been flooding the social media, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. They're all over the place. They're at all the big events. They're super, super awesome. They've been supporting us, smaller creator here on the YouTube, on the Insta. We've been loving the partnership. They're liking all the content. So big shout out again to Southern Diesel Works. Let's get into the video. And here she is again, guys. You never thought you'd see her back on the channel, as we thought we had a done deal, didn't we? But nope, here she is. She's back. We'll go ahead and start with step one on how to lose 40 grand on a steel body Powerstroke like this, is to first off buy one that's already blown up. This one came in with a blown up fuel system, so instead of the customer paying to have it repaired and back to him, Ove ended up just buying it out from under him and then doing the fuel system himself. So we got about 10 or 15 grand into that fuel system right there. They are not cheap by any means when you got to get a new pump, new lines, new injectors, everything that goes along with it. It's an extensive repair. So that did get done. And then when the siding project was taking place, the contractor that was doing that work actually wanted to trade Ove the building work for this truck. So they were working out a deal to where Ove was going to get all that steel that you see on the buildings in exchange for this truck, which sounded like a great deal, right? Well, that kind of went south. So in the process of that transpiring, Ove did loan this sucker out to another friend to drive in the meantime. Actually, Ove drove it himself for a while, did some projects with it, had very few issues with it other than maybe some battery stuff, but ran good with a new fuel system. And then next thing you know, this thing is showing back up on the property on a trailer. Imagine seeing your truck blown up on the back of a tow truck coming down. That is not the way you want anything delivered to you from your friends, but it did, and they even left Ove with the bill. Can you believe it? So here comes your truck blown up, and by the way, here's the tow truck bill to go along with it. So long story short, now the contractor that was going to trade for the work all of a sudden wants paid out, right? That's pretty obvious. Nobody's going to want a blown up truck. So then Ove had to pay for all the siding out of pocket. So there goes another 10, 15 grand on that project. And now we have a blown motor. So he pulled the oil. Maybe we can get under there and check. He pulled the oil filter. It's full of metal, so definitely threw something down there, and a replacement motor is like 10 grand for these trucks. So there you go again. We got 15, 30, 10 for a motor. I mean, you name it, it's probably more. So we're at least 40 grand in on this freaking truck, this old 2013 with 300,000 miles on it. What a terrible deal. I told you, steel body guys, you're wrong from the jump. And this is just another reason why. So I'm not trying to make this into a cry me a river video, but I'm really going to take the $3 that I make off this video and give it to Ove. Let's actually try to run this thing up, like it, share it, because every penny we make on this video, we're going to give to Ovi in cash. It's gonna be hilarious. Maybe we'll make 40 grand back on this, you think? I doubt it. Anyways, let's see if it's got any oil left in it. I'm not sure if Ovi pulled it all out or not, but let's try to get a little out of there. Brought a little Easter bunny bucket, dump a little oil in there, and maybe we can see the shards. I'm not sure. Okay, so we got our little oil sample out here. Plus it's nice and sunny. It definitely does have a little bit of a gray tint to it. I don't know if it shows on camera. Definitely looks a little metallic-y. I don't know if you guys can see that or if you guys are oil experts. But yeah, just wanted to show you. Ovi said the filter was full of metal, so that is a bad deal, to say the least. That's not gonna work. Yeah, who wants this sucker? That might be the end of this gal, unfortunately, folks. Unless anybody wants it blown up. But anyways, yes, step 1, buy a clunker. Step 2, loan it out and have somebody blow it up. And then step 3, pay for all your projects out of hand after the deal falls through, and we can help you lose a ton of money real quick. Look at that good Midwestern dirt, boy, or soil if you're a farmer. I will say we do have a lot of stuff to talk about with the L5P. Also, Ovi's been putting in a lot of work on that. A lot of new parts we're going to talk about, as well as some interior stuff in a coming video. Also, the load trail, we have some lighting coming for that. It's going to be super epic. I can't wait to light that sucker up, so make sure you guys are tuned in for all that good stuff. We just keep it rolling, don't we? But on a positive note, business is booming. The shop's doing great down here, and we're able to continue to do cool stuff with you guys. We absolutely love the support that we've been getting from you guys lately. The channel's on the rise. Things are looking up. We're super positive, super blessed, and cannot wait to bring you guys even more content. So please stick around, like the video, and we will see you guys in the next one. God bless you all. Peace.